Hello, welcome to another video of Run Adventures. Today we have the GoPro HERO 9 or 10 media mod, and this will help you guys hear me better. It's a little microphone up here in the little corner. Let's open it up. GoPro really glues these things down. Here's what comes inside the package. You get another one of the hooks to get onto an attachment. You have a piece to attach it. And you have the GoPro thing. And what is there anything else here? Okay, so this piece right here just attaches right up here. And then in the back, you just kind of have to snap it. And then it's attached. So that's one of the things you could do to your GoPro HERO 9 or /10 to use it. Okay, and this piece right here is actually for the microphone. And the way you open it to get your camera in is right here. Just like the GoPro, to get your battery out, you have to pull this piece. And then it pops open, and you slide your GoPro in this way. So that way the USB-C piece is facing to your right hand. And then that's it for the microphone. So we are going to use it to my GoPro HERO 9, but right here we have a GoPro HERO 10. And the way you get it in with the USB-C piece is you're going to have to take it. It's right here. You're going to have to push this thing off. Just push it up. It should come off. And then you're going to take it and you're going to slide it in. Screen protectors would not be a good thing for these. So if you have one of the things, since it's going to be brand new, pull it off. And there you go. And then close it. And there's the first thing you can add to your GoPro HERO 9 or 10. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.